as we progressed and things built up, we were building adding onto the buildings. And at one point, when they started the Cottonwood, you drove down to the landfill site and dumped it over the head. And then as it kept on building up, then we had to move our building because it was in a low spot, and they were going to be filling it in. So we moved it up near the gate, and we started building another pole building beside it. The area where you come into the site now, you go up the hill instead of where we started. We were going down the hill. That building that we moved was our main area, and we started building a pole building beside it because we just put poles in the ground and very simple construction, and a lot of donated material. And then we started building it so in bays because we were going into cardboard and maybe glass and stuff like this. And then we had a fire. Vandals down there, and they torched. And the double garage was our main building because that held all the newspaper. Anyway, that went up in flames, plus part of the other building. So anyway, we got the crews together again, a bunch of us guys and the women, and scrounged around for more material. And said, our building burned down. Would you be able to donate this or this? We got poles from Bell Pole down in Albion. They donated those, and we got lumber from, I think the outside was cedar boards, and we got those from Hammond Cedar, to say, well, it could be anything, it's just for a shed. And so they would, and other material, nails and stuff we could get from Haney Builders, and a bunch of us rebuilt that building again.